What's up, everybody? It's Cameron Foose with the technicaltrader.net. Just going to look over a couple positions that we have long in this downtrending, short-term downtrending current market. Uh, First up is APRA, a stock that has been a huge bastard of a stock. We traded this thing several times throughout this consolidation, looking for this breakout to finally happen. And it wasn't actually until this week when it finally happened, ironically, as the market completely just gets demolished, is finally when the stock decides to hold this breakout and continue forward. So, in a sense, this is a really good sign. This stock is showing a huge amount of strength in light of the market being down. I couldn't imagine what it'd be doing if the market was up right now. I'm sure it would be much more profitable on this position, but overall, with the market being down huge over the past 2 days, and this stock up big over the past 2 days, that's a decent sign of a lot of strength here on this breakout. So we went long this last week on the day prior to the actual breakout. So we went long at 442 right here prior to the actual breakout above this peak with a high of 448. I was hoping that it would break the day that I bought. It didn't, but it actually got a pretty decent close. And then yesterday, it blew up past $5. Couldn't hold up above 5, and then today it actually made a morning dip down to a support level, which was actually a pretty decent buy area. If you buy the Foos 4 DVD, you learn exactly about why this dip today would have been a potential good buy area, buying near the low of the day here. Then it actually rallied strong into the close, up nearly 5%. So we're up above $5 now, which is a decent psychological resistance area. We're up slightly AH, nothing too significant, not even a percent, but at least there's still some more buyers coming in after hours rather than sellers. So overall, we're looking pretty solid here. This could potentially run up towards $6 per share even. So I sold half my position at 485, still long the other half. It's at 522. Overall, we're looking extremely solid here. Potential target upwards of $6. Next up is UURAF. This is another position that I talked about in yesterday's video. As I said, we went long at about 96 cents initially. I sold half the position up at 120 for a decent gain. I locked in about $1,500 here profit when I sold it up here at 520 for a half position. Now that it's dipped back down, it dipped back down to the 13 EMA today. As I said in yesterday's video, this is a potential dip buying opportunity here around 13 EMA to $1 per share. I actually had an open position to fill for 6,500 more shares. Basically, the 6,500 I sold at 120. I rebought today at 95 cents. I didn't actually send out an alert as I didn't realize I had my order open still, and I was away from the computer when it actually filled. It actually dropped down to a low of what was the low there? 91.5 cents. So it actually had a pretty big downward spike here. If we look at the intraday chart, you can see here that this dipped down slightly below my 95-cent limit buy order, went long at 95. Then we had some strong volume and buyers coming in, putting it back above $1 per share into the close. So this is looking really solid into tomorrow's session. The overall chart, looking at this long term, is a huge breakout pattern here. If you are a DVD subscriber, you know what this pattern is, and you know the kind of implications that this kind of breakout can mean. So this is looking excellent for us right here, bouncing off $1 per share. Re-entered long, more shares at 95 cents. So now my average fill price on 13,000 shares is currently 95.8 cents. So up decently on this position so far, and I'm looking for this to head back up near 120 and possibly even higher. Of course, this all kind of depends on what uranium does and how the general market reacts. But overall, this looked like a great buying opportunity as this dipped back near the 13 EMA. Anyways, that's it for this video today. Hopefully the market kind of stabilizes here. We had two big down days, and let's see what happens tomorrow.